Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Find Me app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, Find Me is a GPS-based location sharing app that lets user create private group to track friend or family in real time. It features live tracking, geofencing alert, battery level status, and a minimal setup process. The app is available on iOS and was not designed to offer encrypted data sharing while minimizing the battery usage, making it attractive for basic safety and connectivity. However, user report serious issues like failed tracking, disappearing group invitation, and misleading charges after subscription. The random version has removed from the Play Store, raising concern about app's long-time reality and developer support. And here's the overall conclusion: the app worth trying only if you are an iOS user and just need a basic location sharing, but not ideal if you want an or if you expect a consistent performance or fearing billing or long-term app stability. And that's it.